Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and your game keeps crashing to desktop, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata crashing to desktop easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Pragmata games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Pragmata here. You're going to right click on the Pragmata.exe, click Properties, then go into Compatibility and then click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to delete this shader.cache folder from your Pragmata game folder. So just delete this folder. Afterwards, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and verify your game's files. So open up your game's platform, right click on Pragmata, go into properties and install files. Click verify and target your game files. While it's verifying your game's files, you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on AMD first, and then I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. Go on to AMD.com, resources and support, drivers, scroll down, graphics, Radeon RX, your graphic card series and model, click submit, select your operating system and download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers. And now I'll show you Intel. Go on to intel.com, click support here, click download center, and then click graphics here, and then search for your graphics card here, download the Intel Arc graphics drivers. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. Go on to nvidia.com, click drivers, fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card along with your operating system, click find then, and then let find the correct GeForce game ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, now you're going to go ahead and download and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you can come here and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.